can make use of this system to develop SOPs. Look, if I'm growing a maize crop, I need to think of such and such, right? Such and such, the suborbital platform like UAV and all, and maybe sensors, and think of, developing this one at what practice that one can think of it from the technology as well as from science point of view. And the right crop, I don't need to tell you, but this is playing a big role here. I'm going to touch upon this one maybe a little later. Right crop. I'm sure you must have heard about this word like climate resilient agriculture. We are facing big issues as far as the climate change is concerned, and agriculture particularly is getting affected. I don't need to tell you this one. Can you think of a genetics? Can you think of a crop which sustains with this climate change? Can you think of a crop which actually resisted to pest or disease or weed and things like that? So that's the one which people talk about. Can we use the right genetics, right variety, which actually helps us in the kind of problems that we face in as far as the climate change is concerned? I'm just giving one example. That is one thing. And I was mentioning this point very clearly in the morning is this one, right tool and techniques. If you can make use of these, you can have better picture and better precision agriculture aspects. So that is what I was going to tell. And the kind of progress that people are making in precision agriculture to see here is exponential. In fact, this is only up to 2016, maybe this is published in 2017, but now if you see here, the papers that you see in most of the